She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me in another hair blending video. Someone asked if I could do a light pink, blue, and blonde mix. And so for the light pink, I'm using this pastel pink braiding hair. For the blue, I did already have this neon blue. I'm not sure if they wanted a neon blue, but that's what I had. So we're just gonna see how this looks. And then for the blonde, I am using the color 613. And so yeah, I know a lot of you guys want these blends, and I told y'all on my last video, my previous video, that if that video received 2,000 likes, then I will put these blends on my site. So make sure, if you haven't already, to go back to my previous video and watch that, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up so we can reach that 2,000 likes quicker, so those blends can be added to my site. And then speaking of my I did launch a new business, yay, and I launched it on January the 15th. That's when it went live, and I am providing 100% homemade natural hair growth oils. So if you're in the market for that, make sure to click on the link in the description and support your girl, okay? Black owned, 100% again natural hair growth oil. So check it out. Please ignore all of this marker you guys see on my arm. Just pretend it's not there. It's from my little girl. I didn't even notice it was still on my arm until I started editing this video. If you're already on my channel, you know by now that I have started to show what the braids look like, what the blends look like as a braid at the very end. So if you want to see how it looks, make sure to watch until the end. I will also show what it looks like as a twist, so you'll see what it looks like as a twist and as a braid. So watch the entire video. Let me know below in the comments what blend you'd like to see next. I know I have a whole bunch of blends. I have so much catching up to do. You guys have given me so many ideas, and I want to get to all of you guys. And so I'm probably just going to drop them all. So don't hate me, y'all. Y'all seem to like these videos, so I'm guessing y'all not gonna mind. But I'm about to drop all of these blends because I've gotten a lot of requests and I want to go ahead and get them out. But I do know that some of my subscribers are here for braids as well, so I still got you guys. So again, don't be mad. I just want to get everyone's request out. So on that note, I'm really just rambling, so I'll let you guys enjoy the video. As always, stay blessed, stay protected, you guys. Stay filled with love and peace. I'll talk to y'all in my next video.